Today I share with you how to cook Nigeria okro pepper soup. If you haven't eaten this before now, this is the right time to try this recipe. It's everything you need right now. So begin guys, I'm going to be needing goat meat already washed, then adding this cow breast, the same time adding chopped onions, then adding Maggi seasoning, then adding black pepper. Then after adding the black pepper, all I do is to get that stir until the meat and the spices get combined. So I have to stir until I have something like this. Next, I will be adding this water. I make use of 1 jug of water. So I will add in the water, then adding salt to taste. So just adding the salt and stir together. So guys, okra pepper soup is everything guys. Like I cannot even get enough of this soup. It's sweet, so amazing. So what I do now is to cover that to cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, now I'll be adding the pepper soup spices. Then after adding the pepper soup spices, adding this chicken seasoning. Then I will stir together. So guys, this comes from Odogun food. This pepper soup spice I add, you don't need any other pepper soup spices. It contains everything you need in pepper soup spices guys, so you have to get that from Odogun shop. Check my comment section to get her number. You are going to love it. Next, I'll be adding fresh chicken, then adding this dry catfish. Then I have get that debone, then adding this crayfish already ground. Then all I do is to stir that together. My people, at this point it don dey scent like everywhere, don dey scent woto. This is so amazing. Oh my god, everything I use cooking this was giving, like all the ingredients, all the spices, the protein I add, everything go well. Cover that again for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I'm going to be adding this okra. So guys, this is how you're going to slice the okra. I add that twice. Now I'm going to be adding this hot pepper. That is just to make that get color like this. Just you have to blend that roughly like this, don't over blend it, just for you to have that pepper soup sign guys. Okay, so that is just for the pepper. I stir that together. So guys, everything is given. So guys, look how I slice the okra. I did not pan that. Okay, I did not pan the okra, just slice it like this. It's just going to be given. So that is just how I get that slice. So what I do now is to get that 5 minutes again to cook before I will proceed. This is just so amazing. Just imagine, look at soup. Hi my people, it is scent everywhere. 5 minutes later, this is what I have. So what I'm doing now is to get that stir together. My people, this is just the best way to enjoy okra. Like okra pepper soup is everything. Like is everything, like everyone need to try. So now I'm going to be adding the last batch. So this is the last batch of the okra. At this point it's just going to last 3 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat. So this is me stirring the last batch together, my people. Everything just so delicious. All the meat I used to get this done is so amazing. Like everything cooked so nice. The meat and the soup was given. So now I'm going to get that 3 minutes later. Look at that. At this point guys, soup done, like soup done. My people, you have to share this video and follow this process to make your Nigerian okra pepper soup. Like if you never tried this before, this is the right time to try this. Like it's so amazing. It was so delicious. At this point it's ready to serve. This cow breast I use is so amazing in this soup. I just remember I have that in the fridge. I said no, this is the right time to make use of it, and it gives this soup a delicious and amazing outcome. So get that, enjoy with anything swallow, my people. At this point now, look at soup, look at everything. It just they enter everywhere, like it's too sweet. So guys, try to share and follow this process to get yours done in my next one. Bye.